Welcome to Management Shorts. Here we are discussing various topics related to human resource management, marketing management, financial management, advertisement, branding, and many more. Our today's topic of discussion is the marketing strategies of the brand BoAt. Number one, electronics like accessories. BoAt collaborated with celebrity designer Amitabha Gupta to launch spunky headphones at the Lakme Fashion Week. BoAt's Bluetooth headphone has become very popular design accessory. Number 2. Affordable price and quality. As the vast majority of the premium quality headphones and the earphones don't come at a reasonable cost. However, not for BoAt. Due to affordable prices presented by BoAt enforce its rival JBL to reduce its cost. Number 3. Celebrity endorsement. A brands promoted by some popular celebrities make the brand looks authentic and gains customer trust. Neha Kakkar and Diljeet, who are also BoAt's brand ambassadors, attracted a huge customer base. Number 4. Innovation. BoAt continue to represent new products in the market and continues to stand out enough to be noticed by its customers. It offers earphones and headphones, be it Bluetooth or eardrops, and many more. Number 5. Customer Connect. BoAt has given a name to its loyal customers community as BoAt heads. Constructive criticism are taken from BoAt heads community to create new products and change existing ones by building a customer base. Number 6. Event marketing. BoAt announced its official partnership with 6 IPL teams and launched limited edition earphones, headphones, and speakers. BoAt also sponsored Sunburn, Asia's biggest music festival. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this content of Management Shorts. We'll be coming back shortly with some more interesting content.